Hey everyone, with a price tag around $100, a huge 5,160 mAh battery, enhanced camera capabilities, and support for 120 Hz refresh rates, the Redmi 14C has made a significant impact on the low-cost smartphone industry. But is it a lost chance or a real upgrade? Let's test what this gadget has to offer and its shortcomings. You might be disappointed by the Redmi 14C's look at first glance. Many claim that the Redmi 14C doesn't look as well as its predecessor, the Redmi 13C. However, the box's provision of a protective cover is a wonderful touch, a minor but appreciated addition. Although the gadget only supports 18-watt charging, Redmi even includes a 33-watt charging brick. Regarding obtaining an overspec charger, there are still no complaints. The Redmi 14C is really an entry-level phone, and its cost reflects that. With choices for 4, 6, or 8 gigs of RAM and 128 or 256 gigs of storage, the base model starts at about $100. Only the 8 gigs version offers the larger storage choice, and it is recommended to get at least 6 gigs of RAM if you want smoother performance or multitask. The Helio G81 Ultra chipset, a minor upgrade over the previous G85 seen in the Redmi 13C, powers the phone's hardware. Although it supports refresh rates of 120 Hz, the 720p LCD display finds it difficult to fully utilize this functionality. Redmi is obviously relying on the higher number to sway purchasing decisions, even though it is a superfluous feature for a phone in this price range. As one might anticipate from a low-cost phone, performance is restricted but functional. At lower settings, some gaming is possible, and it performs well on simple chores. With decreased graphics, games like Call of Duty Mobile and PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds Mobile function rather well, though stuttering may occur sometimes. Even the 8GB version might disappoint you if you're thinking about playing more demanding games like Warzone Mobile. The Redmi 14C's battery life is one of its great points. The phone can easily survive a day and a half with moderate use thanks to its 5,160 mAh capacity. Budget phones frequently have subpar cameras, but the Redmi 14C manages to surprise. Though consistency can be a problem, the 50 megapixels main camera produces decent photos in well-lit environments. The 13 megapixels boost to the selfie camera yields good results for its price range, particularly when used in portrait mode. However, as is common for devices in this market, video recording reaches its maximum at 1080p at 30 frames per second. When it comes to the software experience, things start to go south. There are no features like second space, split-screen multitasking, or sophisticated lock screen customization. Another drawback is the obtrusive advertisements in the interface. It's evident that software concessions are a component of the cost-cutting plan, even though the default multi-user Android capability partially makes up for the lack of second space. In the end, the Redmi 14C is a respectable low-cost phone with certain drawbacks. It is a wonderful option for people on a tight budget because of its notable features, such as the enormous battery and upgraded cameras. The aggressive advertisements, lack of significant performance improvements, and dubious design decisions, however, might cause some consumers to look elsewhere in the cutthroat sub-$100 market. Choose the 6 or 8 gig models for the best experience, and make sure your expectations are in line with what a phone at this price can actually provide. Thanks for watching. I hope you have no questions left. Have a nice day, and God bless you.